Is leaving a Trustpilot review with a VPN a recipe for disaster? Let's untangle that knotty question in the next 90 seconds. First, navigate to Trustpilot's website, either through a search engine like Google or by directly typing Trustpilot into your browser's address bar. Make sure you're on the official site to avoid any potential scams. Locate the search bar, typically found at the top of the homepage. Type in the name of the company you want to review. Double-check the spelling to ensure you find the correct business. From the search results, click on the company profile you're looking for. Verify it's the right company by checking their logo, website link, and address, if available. On the company's profile page, you'll find a prominent Write a Review button. Click on it to start composing your review. It's usually located near the top of the page, easy to spot. You'll be prompted to select a star rating. 1 star is the lowest, and 5 stars is the highest. Choose the rating that best reflects your experience with the company. Now, the crucial part: write your review. Be honest, specific, and factual. Describe your experience in detail, mentioning both positive and negative aspects, if applicable, but avoid using offensive language or personal attacks. Before submitting, quickly review Trustpilot's guidelines. Pay close attention to their policies regarding authenticity and location. Remember, Trustpilot aims for genuine reviews, and the use of a VPN could flag your review as potentially inauthentic. Here's the catch: while not explicitly forbidden, using a VPN can raise red flags if Trustpilot suspects your location is masked or manipulated. Your review might be investigated or even removed. They want to ensure reviews are based on genuine local experiences, so proceed with caution. Once you're satisfied with your review and aware of the potential VPN issue, click the Submit button. You might need to create an account or log in with an existing one. That's it. Your review is now submitted for publication, although it might take some time to appear as Trustpilot moderates reviews.